Hello from my London hotel room. I'm currently on a personal trip, but warning, there is a serious warning sign being flashed around the crypto market right now, and I thought I just have to share it. Now, this could be a bloodbath, is pretty much the buzzwords that are being used around the industry right now. They're worried that due to the future contracts coming and possible manipulation that we could be looking at a very horrible bank holiday weekend. It's a bank holiday weekend in the UK. Anyway, before I get started, I kindly request that you smash the like button, right? We've been getting a lot of love and the channel's been getting a lot of engagement. I really do appreciate that. And I just want to see how many likes we can get. Feel free, if you don't know who I am, hit the subscribe button, right? I am the crypto rookie. This is my first crypto bull market, and I am sharing with you as I learn. Yeah, so if I think that there's news that you want to, that should be shared, then I'm going to share it with you. If there's news that I feel that is relevant and helpful, especially for crypto rookies like me, then I want to take you along with this journey, maybe give you some advice, some warnings. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to share with you what I hear. What I learn, try to educate you, okay? So please, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and next time you get some breaking news like this, then you get to learn with me. So basically what's being said is there's some big crypto YouTubers out there suggesting that there's some warning signs floating around. You've got big boys like Crypto suggesting that we could be looking to drop down to test the bottom end of the market again. We've already hit 34,000 after having dipped. And I said in my last video, this is due to mainly the future markets where people bid and bet on whether or not things go up or go down. And if they've already kind of bet that they want to buy in at, say, 33,000, something kind of pushes the market that way sometimes, and it can like deflate or buoy up. Like obviously if they're betting that things are going up, that they want that to work in their favor as well. However, Ben from BitBoy Crypto has suggested that there is a yellow X showing up on trading things like Market Cipher and Bybit. Now what this means, however, is there could be a chance of very heavy manipulation. Last time something like this happened, crypto shot up in 2018, but last time we saw yellow X's on 1, 4 and 8 hour charts, we've seen huge crashes. So what Ben from BitBoy Crypto has suggested doing, he's pulled out $2 million worth of his crypto, which is around about 10% of his money. And he's suggesting that if it goes down, he's got a buying opportunity. And if it goes up, he's taken some money out. Now, I didn't buy in at the bottom end of the market. So like I weren't around December, November or whatever last year. I started buying in January and slowly started taking profit. So my buy-ins aren't hugely profitable right now. I'm betting on the fact that in the long run, they will go up by the end of the bull market. So I don't know what I'm doing, in all honesty, when it comes to my own personal finances in this short period of time. I have a long-term goal. I don't have the short-term goal, but I just wanted to share that's the news floating around, that even some of the big boys are taking some money off just in case. Now, does that mean that you want to pull yours into stable coins and see if it crashes and then buy back in at the bottom? If it does crash, it will certainly go back up in the long run. Things are suggesting that like hedge funds have bought ADA at a lower price point, that you've had big whales pushing down the price to get their friends in. So you would think that if they've already bought in at like 33 and 35,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin, that they'd also want to reap some kind of profit. So even if they do manipulate it down, you'd think that in the long run, they'd want it to push up. There has been a volume run in on these kind of things, in which you may see the price of ADA be going down, but the volume in trading is going up, which has kind of kept it more stable than you would think compared to other cryptos. Does that mean that this is the end of the manipulation down and this is the start of the manipulation up? It all depends. What I'm doing, I'm blindly holding for the long run, because even if it doesn't recover, and even if we go into some kind of bear market over the next 2 years, 3 years, I feel I can sit on it for 3-4 years and then wait for the next one to start. I'm hoping that this is a dip down and a spring back up by the end of September, October, November. I mean, look at what it's done for the last week. All of the FUD disappeared, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. All of the bad news out there seemed to disappear, and then the good news started coming back, and then everything started rising 10-15% naturally. So I feel that the natural price is higher. But it all depends on how influential the big boys, the whales, are, and how many of their friends they want to get in, how many people they want to scare out, how many people they want to shake out of the market, how many people they want to grab money from. And it's the small retail investors like ourselves, me, you, other crypto rookies, that may be holding on to even just a tenth of a Bitcoin, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. But you've got to think, if you shake out 1,000 retail investors at that level, then all of a sudden there's 100, 150, 200, maybe even more Bitcoins that people can scoop up, then push it to the moon to 100,000 per Bitcoin, and they make their money back very quickly. Is this the bump up after a very long push down? Or is this just bank holiday weekend with future markets? We're going to see it bounce off 30,000 and then go back up. Or could this yellow X mean nothing and nothing happens and we just carry on the way we're going? I'd like to know what you're feeling. What are you doing in this situation? Am I panicking for no reason? Do you appreciate me sharing this random information from a random hotel room in London? Right? I apologize for the weird hair. I've only just got out of the shower. Overall, I feel that the long term should be my focus. I can certainly not throw more money at it over the next couple of weeks to see how it goes up or down. And if it goes down, fine, understand, realize the value that happens to be there and wait for 3-4 years. If it goes up, have price points in mind and remind myself in future to start shaving off some profit at the top. See, I had a gut feeling around about 12 to 20 hours before the first dip started, and I just fell asleep and I just didn't take the profits off, and then I woke up and I was like, next time I'm going to listen to my gut. Anyway, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted every time I upload these videos. Tell me what you're thinking. Is this good news? Is this bad news? Are you worried? Are you a crypto rookie? And I'll see you soon. Ready? Ooh, boop.